Hey, what's up, guys? Got some samples here I just collected last weekend from pretty high elevation in the Sierra Nevadas. You can see all the sulfides within these. These were found next to a road cut, an old logging road cut. And what caught my eye was the sulfides on the outside. And when I broke it open, sure enough, it was full of sulfides. This one came from a vein only about 2 inches wide that I picked out. It has lots of galena in it. Hopefully we can get some gold out of here, see what else is in there. This one came from another road cut. It caught my eye because it was very, very iron rich. It had some conglomerated gravel on the side of it. I broke it open, and sure enough, it was a quartzite boulder full of what looks to be arsenopyrite. So we're going to run this one down as well. Alright, so we're down here at the crusher. Gonna get these all crushed up, and we'll check for free gold after that. If not, we will run the sulfides through assay and see what we can recover from that. Alright guys, so I got everything crushed down to a fine consistency here. I panned out most of the excess, and I will show you what we got from the results. So this was the first one I showed. This was from the roadside cut that had a lot of visible sulfides, and sure enough, there is just a pan full of sulfides. There is no visible gold in this one, but that does not mean there is not gold or precious heavy metals. We will run this through a fire assay to get some better results. This was the second one. This was from a quartz vein that I actually mined that was only about 2 inches wide, and it ran for about 15 feet. I took about a ½ pound of material from it. This one, I had high hopes. It had some Galena, a little Chalcopyrite that I could see, a little copper mineralization. Hoping we can get a little bit of color out of here. Oh yeah, sure enough. See if I can get it to focus in there. Yeah, some nice little free milling gold. So it's very, very coarse. Likes to fly around the pan since it's not flat like normal flakes. So, well, that's pretty neat. I know that vein has gold in it now. So this was our third one here. This was from another roadside cut chunk, the quartzite that had some cemented gravel. Once again, we have just lots and lots of sulfides in here, so we'll probably have to run this through a fire assay. Nope, no visible gold in this one either, unfortunately. But hey, now we got a new vein to explore. Alright guys, well, we ran our first sample through a fire assay, and it does in fact have some gold. So that's exciting. Unfortunately, it did not come from a vein, it just came from a float boulder. So in order to find the rest of this, we will have to do a little bit of prospecting. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.